Are you planning to apply to the UK for your undergrad education? Now, one of the most difficult things which is part of the undergrad application is the UK personal statement. Now, the application portal for UK, as you know, is called the UCAS, and it has one common personal statement which is sent to up to 5 universities, except for medicine where you can only apply to 4 medical schools. Now, what goes into making a compelling statement? I'll give you a very easy formula. Think of these 4 questions and it will make your life much easier. First one is why. Why are you applying for a particular course? Now remember, you can't pinpoint a particular university or mention it because you have to send a common personal statement. Don't make that mistake. Your why has to be really strong and personal. What have you done towards the domain? Now I want to study economics in the UK in undergrad. Have I worked enough towards that domain? If I have not proved to the universities that academically I'm a really strong candidate, it doesn't make sense. How will I possibly use the degree moving forward? Do you have a career vision for yourself? If you don't have that, then the university is not certain. Are you even sure about the subject? The last question is, why do you want to study in the UK? Now, the British love hearing good things about themselves. Jokes apart, they want to understand why UK is the right country for you, because you're choosing to study in that country over other countries in your own country. If you're able to get these questions right, it becomes all the more easy. And if you need further support, do feel free to reach out. We will be very happy to guide and mentor you in writing a compelling UCAS personal statement.